Hi and welcome to my channel. In our video I will show you how to create a net in Blender. Let's start. Delete the original cube. Go to Add menu and from Mesh add a plane. Press S and change the size of the net. Change the mode to Edit mode. Right-click and select Subdivide. From the left bottom corner menu, change the number of cuts to 10. Go to Face menu and select Poke Faces. Go to Face menu again and select Triangles to Quads. Change the mode to Object mode. Go to Add Modifier and from Generate scroll down and select Wireframe Modifier. Change the thickness to 0.013 and be sure the boundary is checked. At the top right arrow apply the modifier. Change the mode to Edit mode again. Press A to select all vertices. Then right-click and select Subdivide. Change the number of cuts to 2. Change the mode to Object mode. Press G then Z and mode the net upward. Go to Add menu and from Mesh add a UV sphere. Right-click and select Shade Smooth. Go to Add menu again and from Mesh add a plane. Press G then Z and move the plane downward under the sphere. Press S and increase the size of the plane. Select the sphere and go to Physics Properties and select Collision Modifier. Select the plane and add Collision Modifier. Select the net and add Cloth Modifier. Play the animation. And that is it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.